Right, today's the day, finally at Hollywood Studios. I did visit here earlier on in my time in Orlando just to kill a bit of time while I was having such a long day at Epcot. But today we're going to do it proper, starting off the day at lunchtime using the free shuttle. It's a late one to come to the park, but at least you get dropped off directly here. So I'm expecting queues upon queues upon queues today because it's always seemed pretty busy looking at the Disney app. But we got the rest of the day. This place shuts at 9 o'clock, so you can see me having a full day. We don't mind it. Nice steady one. It's probably just going to be a lot of standing around. Not the best of weather today, very overcast, but still nice and warm. Love the tropical weather though, don't I? So yeah, right, so we're going to get in there and be nice to try and take some videos of some rides. Honestly, I know what the policy is for some of these rides. We'll see. Universal are really keen on it, but maybe some of the slower rides here, if any. Actually, they're all quite thrill rides here. But yeah, I want to check out the Star Wars area again. I'll get that on video today, all that area and stuff. But yeah, we got Tower of Terror. I always like that one, where you go up in the hotel lift and it just drops you right down. Love that one. Classic. The Great Movie Ride isn't here anymore. They converted that to Mickey and Minnie's Runaway. It's new for me as well, so we'll have to check that out. I'd like to get to the Indiana Jones stunt show as well. Try and check that out. So we've got plenty to do.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. There they are!
I've just had something to eat after the Indiana Jones done. They cancelled half of the show because of the rain. Was pretty bad, but I've seen it before. It's the same old stuff, but it's good to see. I want to say though, that Mickey and Minnie Runaway train or whatever it is, that's right good. That a lot better than the Great Movie Ride, whatever it was. That was like really old fashioned, probably one of the first rides that was here, and they've updated it, and it's got the same sort of technology that new Star Wars ride has. It was brilliant. Like it's actually amazing how they move the carts around and stuff, because there's no like tracks or anything, so it must be all like pre-programmed computer stuff, and it wasn't what I was expected. Actually, it was really good. But yeah, I just jumped in to get something to eat because I was pretty hungry and there was a massive downpour of rain, and it's actually just trying to start again now. But I'm gonna go over to Tower of Terror. Probably not the best idea now I've had something to eat. We're gonna do it anyway. Bit of a queue. Everywhere's pushing like an hour everywhere for the ride, so hopefully my stomach will settle a bit while I'm in line. But let's get over there. Walking down Sunset Boulevard, you see my shirt, the rain is happening again.
supposed to be at a show. Now.
I'd like to introduce our lovely manager. She's
smoke.
No smoke!
Be a great friend.
Yeah, and then you went on to win a heap of piston cups. Whee!
Now, winning is great and all.
At my side. Yes, ye have been accepted. The force is stronger. With training, you can become a powerful ally to the Empire. Quickly,
Excellent. We'll look right here at your device.
leave here today with this warning. Do not underestimate the power of the dark side.
Oh, there you go. You fixed it. All right, Chewie, I think we're good.
That's so cool.
Wonderful. There you go.
That Star Wars launch bay was actually really, really good. Just meeting some of the Star Wars cast. Darth Vader was pretty cool. Super tall. Chewbacca had me in stitches. That was so funny. Sharing a nice joke, obviously, how bald I am and how hairy he is. And then BB-8 was very short but sweet, and he does somehow interact with you as well, actually. But I don't think it picked it up too well. And even when I was walking out the room, he sort of like turned and you heard this like robotic bye. It's so sweet. And that was really cool to do, actually. I've never done that before. I don't know if this has been here for some time and just never really been bothered to do it, but that was really good. What else have we done? Aerosmith roller coaster, indoor roller coaster, always a good one, that one. Tower of Terror, do love that ride, even though it doesn't seem as intense anymore. Now I think we're going to go to the Toy Story area. There's a couple of rides there, and there's one ride that I've still never done, even though it's been on there, over there for some time. We'll see what it's like. It's a roller coaster, but if it's a bit childish, I don't know. I'm not going to do it. It's just, it always has like an hour wait, so we'll see. I think we need to go on that. It's too slow. I think Kylo Ren's gonna come out soon. I hope so anyway. Might try and show you my tattoo.
Have you found the Resistance spy, Lieutenant Danger? But you have failed. Here. The Supreme Leader would like a word. Come with me. Closer. Good luck. What's happening? If the Resistance is here, we will destroy them. This place will destroy itself.
following me now.
Then perhaps one day you will be my apprentice.
Oh.
Look, she saw them. They saw them up there.
A first order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you play the back.
You're gonna move this back and forth. Back cargo, we're gonna go.
Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly out.
Just been on Smuggler's Run again. I enjoyed it better this time round compared to the time before. I was a different role, I was an engineer this time, which I think's more interesting than being a pilot, not pilot, the gunner. Because, I mean, again, we had like a 3-year-old driving, being a pilot, so you can imagine crashing into absolutely everything. So that's where engineer comes in a bit better, because you're like trying to like press all the buttons to, it tells you to fix everything. Whereas if you're a gunner, you need the pilot to be aiming for you really, because all you're doing is pressing a button for a gunner. But yeah, so I enjoyed it this time. It was good. Walked straight on as well, did a single rider. But yeah, gonna do the proper main event of Star Wars now, Rise of the Resistance. Getting the proper queue this time, because I did single rider first time round, so we skip a few rooms out, whereas this time round hopefully I'll be able to record some of the rooms in the build up for the getting on the attraction. Long wait.
Commander 9-9, please report back to IGS cockpit.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should he be in flight prep? Recruits. That is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Yeah, hit the hyperdrive all system.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
First order. You will disembark at 1 and proceed down the corridor for processing and interrogation. Now get out.
And I will take it from you.
They're needed on the bridge.
Send back recruits, stand back.
Alright, that's gonna be it for Hollywood Studios. Could have stayed a bit longer to do like the nighttime firework or light display, whatever they do. But that's in like maybe 2 more hours, and honestly I'm shattered. I'm ready to get out of here. So I'm gonna get a Lyft or an Uber. You know, still got a few more days to check the other parks out again, just to sort of casually stroll about, I guess. But that's the main parks done. Today's been really good actually, really enjoyed it. Actually enjoyed doing the character meets and stuff like that. Something I don't normally do at all, but got to do the Star Wars ones. But yeah, really good, really enjoyed it. It's been a good day, very good day.